Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cozy Look Crochet. Today's project is to make this summer bag or raffia bag. If I can show you the whole bag in here. I have made this in beige, and now I have decided to make this video and make it with the brown color. And I have done the inside also for this one. It's a good size and it's perfect for the summer. And it's very easy to make. And for the material, we need this raffia yarn or paper yarn, and this is 500 grams, and you can buy this in Amazon. I have used the same size for the beige color, and this much is left, so I may combine these two colors for the second bag. For the hook size on this, I have used 425 millimeter hook size, and we can start making the base here. And for the base we need 27 chains, so let's do that. To start, we're gonna make a slip knot here. And then 27 chains. 1, 2, 3. This is 27 chains, and now we're gonna do single crochet for the first row, starting the second chain, not the one close to the hook. On the second chain we're gonna start doing single crochet. Okay, we're gonna do this until we get to the very last one. Then on the last one, I'm gonna show you, we're gonna do 3 single crochets. I got to the end, and here I'm gonna do on the very last chain 3 single crochets. So we are increasing here. And I forgot to mention that you need some markers to mark where you're starting your increase. Okay, so that was the first one. Second, and one more single crochets. The third. Now we go to the back of this first row. In here we continue doing single crochets up until to the end. So let's do that. And we can also at the same time cover this yarn in here, and this is our first one. Okay, so let's do our single crochets to the end of this back section. Got to the end here, and here I'm gonna do 2 single crochet on the very last one, 2 single crochets. So this is gonna be our oval shape base, so I'm gonna also put a marker in here that I started my increase here on this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna continue doing single crochet going around this. Okay, so let's do this row also, second row single crochet. Okay, I got to the end, to the other end, and I'm gonna move the marker, and on this 3 chains that we added, I'm gonna do 2 single crochets on each one. So starting here with that marker that we had, I'm gonna do 2 single crochets on each. And again, I'm gonna put back the marker. So I did 1 and 2 in here. This is how I know where I started increasing. Okay, and 2 on this side, on this chain, and 2 on the next one. This is how we get those oval shape. And I want to mention that this yarn is a little bit tough and rough, and you gotta be careful. You can't do one project in one day because it hurts your hand, and you have to remember when you get tired, you're gonna be maybe going to another project. This is how I do it, maybe 1 or 2 hours of doing this type of yarn, and then put the rest of your time into another one. And also at the end of my increase, I want to put another marker in here so I would know where I started and where I have ended. So from here on this side, I'm going to do again single crochet until I get to this end. So let's do that. Okay, go to the other end, and here I remove the marker, and I'm gonna do 2 single crochets on each one of these. This is 1 and 2, and I'm gonna put back the marker. I started in here. Okay, and then another 2 single crochets, and then I add another marker to know where I ended my increase. Okay, and now in here I'm going to go back to 1 single crochet on each. Okay, so here we go all the way to the other end for single crochets. So let's do that. I got to the other end and I remove the marker. In here I'm gonna do 1 single crochets on this chain and 2 single crochets on the other. 1 single crochets and 2 single crochets on the other. 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets on the other, until that last one that we have a marker in here. So let's do 1 single crochet and put the marker back in. This helps a lot. And then we're gonna do 2 on this chain. 2 single crochets. Next one is 1 single crochet. And next one, 2. Okay, last one I had 2 single crochets. I remove the marker, and this is gonna be a new marker. So we're gonna continue doing single crochets all the way to here, and here we're gonna do the same thing. 1 single crochets, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets, and then we continue going to the next round. We do the same thing in the other end. Remove this marker and then do one single crochet, put back the marker, the next one, 2 single crochet. Okay, and on the last one is 2 single crochets. Remove this marker and put it into the new single crochet that we just did, and then we continue on the other side, and next row is going to be identical to the one that we just did. So let's do that and I'll be back. Okay, I got to the end of this round, and this is one side, this is the other. And now for the next 2 rows, we're gonna just do single double crochets. Single crochets for 2 rows without any increase on these sides. But I'm gonna keep the markers anyway. So I'm gonna do 2 more rows and I'll be back. Okay, I did the 2 rows without increase, and now next row is gonna be back loop single crochets. So we're gonna do 1 row of back loop single crochets. So this is only back loop. See, there is 2, one is front loop, one is back loop, and we're gonna do only back loop. I'll show you this in this bag that I did. It's going to give you a little bit of an edge in here. So let's do this row with back loop. I'm done with that row, and now we're going to start. I'm going to keep this marker here for just showing where I started my row, and I can take these other 2s out. And for now we're gonna do half double crochet for 23 rows. So I'm gonna show you just a few. Okay, half double crochet going round and round, and we have one marker in here to show where the row started. So that is gonna be 23 rows. So let's do that, and I'll be back to show you the rest of it. Okay, I'm done with my 23 rows of half double crochets, and if you can see here, I did different color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of this cream color that I had, and now I'm changing the color back to brown color, and from here on I'm gonna do single crochet for 8 rows, and as you can see, I have put a marker on both sides in here, and every other row I'm gonna increase 1 on each side on these with these markers, and I keep the markers so I would know where I have increased. So I want to just show you how I'm changing the color in here. Different color yarn. Okay, I'm taking this out and just yarn over, pull your yarn through this, and then bring your other color and Okay, I made a mistake. I think I have to do yarn over and go through the chain and pull the yarn, and now bring your different color yarn in here and pull it through. Okay, so now next one is gonna be brown color, and this is gonna be single crochets, and I'm gonna do 2 single crochets on the same chain. So that's one increase on here, and then the rest of it is gonna be just single crochets. So let's do that, and remember when we get to the other side we're gonna do another 2 single crochets in one chain. Okay, I'm done with my 8 rows of single crochet, and on both sides I did every other row I increased 1, and this is how it comes out. And now I'm ready to do the handles, so I'm gonna cut the yarn in here. Okay, and hide it in here with the yarn needle, or even if you don't hide it, because I'm gonna do lining, it's okay, it's gonna be hidden underneath the lining in here. So now I'm ready to do the handles. I have these 2 leather handles, and here how I'm gonna place it in here, and I'm gonna sew it by hand on these holes in here on both sides. So when I'm done, I'm gonna bring it back and I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, finished with my bag, my summer bag. As you can see here, I did the hand sewing on these handles, and I did also the lining right here, and I put some of my yarns inside. It's a very good bag for summertime, and I hope you enjoy this. Just want to mention the sewing the liner in here. I did it with the sewing machine, and that's I can put another video if you like to show you how to do the inside, the lining inside. So I hope you like this video, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will put more videos in the future, and thank you for watching.